All right, we are starting over. We moved positions, we have better lighting. Yes, hang on, I'm just dying. I think I got sunburnt. Ow, dang. What's up you guys? So today I'm going to be doing the how I did my makeup in high school challenge. So I actually didn't really wear makeup too often to school. I went to a performing arts school where I danced for half the day, so I really found it kind of pointless. But there were a few days where I would, or like not going to school. This is probably how I would do it, unfortunately. Also, I need this too, a little bit closer here. Also, when I was in high school, like preteen, teenager, we didn't go to like Sephora or Ulta and have like MAC and Too Faced and all this stuff. So I pretty much started with like my mom's old makeup that she wouldn't really wear anymore, or she would try it and not like it and just like throw it in her drawer, so I would steal it. Usually we would go to like the drugstore and just buy drugstore products. But I'm gonna start with the foundation, which I didn't want to use like my good Kat Von D foundation for this because I'm just gonna be taking it off when we're done. So I grabbed this, it's Makeup Forever Ultra HD. Of course, this I did not have in high school. I probably used like some cheap L'Oreal from the drugstore, I don't even know, something like that. I would just pick anything. So I don't think I used a brush, or we didn't really have beauty blenders then, so I would just rub it all over with my hands. So that's what we're gonna do. And also we didn't have primers and things like that, so we didn't do none of that. I probably didn't even put moisturizer on my face in high school. So, oh god, this makes me nervous. Here we go. Sorry, I'm gonna probably use this viewfinder a little bit to do this. I also have a mirror down here if I look down, but, ugh. Just kind of rub it all in. Just gonna do some more. And this is how we did it. Oh, now they're just, ooh, I hate it. I want it off. Just gonna put a little bit of my concealer under my eyes. I would sometimes do this under my eyes just because I have really dark circles. Did you hear that? And again, didn't have a brush or a beauty blender, so we're just using the finger. Which sometimes I actually still do, just because I feel like it works a little bit better. Pretty good. Alright. Next, I would usually use something like this. Probably, honestly, this exactly, maybe? I'm not really sure how long I've had this. The garbage people are here. That scared me. Okay, anyway. So yeah, we'll just use this powder here. It even comes with its own little spongy thing. I've probably had this for a long time. So, under the eyes, my nose, and the big old forehead. And like I said, most of this stuff would be, like when I first started using makeup, most of this would be old products that my mom had. I'm using that hand-me-down makeup. Let's just keep going with the face. Why does my hair look like crap? Why didn't anybody tell me? So I've been out of high school for like 4.5 years now. So especially when I first started using makeup, there was no contour, there was no highlighter, none of that. We used blush and that's it. So I just have this like old Focus Revlon blush, matte blush. So I think because we didn't have anything else for the face, like you'd always overcompensate the blush and just like really get it in there. So face is done now. That was it for the face. For my eyes, most of the pictures that I found that I actually was wearing makeup, it was just like black or just a lot of gray eyeshadow. I'm so sorry to anyone who had to see me like that. We're just gonna bring you on in. Hello. Wow. So sorry you have to see me this close up. Also, wow, look at those. Great. So I'm just gonna use also something I've had for a very long time. If it will focus. Yeah, the Nudes by, I think it's Maybelline, is that what it says? Maybelline. We're focusing with the black and the gray. And also I'm using, finally using a brush. This is like an old one, I think, that, focusing. So this is just a really old eyeshadow brush. You literally can't even see any writing on it anymore. This was also my mother's. I'm pretty sure it's a really old Mary Kay brush. So I'm just gonna do this gray. Yes. I'm living for it. Wow. Masterpiece. Wow. Great. And then I would usually go in with some type of lighter shade, any lighter shade, and I would just put it like on my finger. Kind of like put it from the inner corner like halfway, and that was it. Other side. Oh God, what's happening? I thought this was just such a good look. No girl, it wasn't. That's just gonna have to do. What's happening right here? What is happening there? What did I do? Same light color. Kind of like that. Boom. Done. We didn't do anything in the corners. You know, you put a little bit of white there, makes your eyes look brighter. Nope. Didn't do that. We did not do eyebrows. Filling in your eyebrows was not a thing. You just left them suckers how they were. Okay, moving on to probably the best part of this whole thing. For some reason, with my teeny tiny little eyes, I thought it was a good idea to completely line all the way around my eye. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm like ashamed to show this. I just found this, still have it from probably high school. Look, you can see the lid is cracked. I don't even know what it is. So all the writing is like rubbed off. It says made in China, black eye pencil. That's it. That's all I know. So I'm going to do this part in my mirror really quickly, and then I'll show you when I'm all done. If that is not a look, I don't know what is. Oh, it tickled. Oh. There you go. Look at that eyeliner. So good. Why did I think this was a good idea? As if my eyes weren't small enough already, and this just makes them look so much smaller. Ooh. So then I'm just gonna go and put a little bit of mascara. We didn't curl them. We didn't have eyelash extensions. None of that. What's happening down there? Crap. Crap! Got on my nose. That's pretty much it for the mascara. I mean, worked with what I got. So right now I'm using the Focus! Why do you hate me? So right now I'm using this, the roller lash from Benefit, right? Yeah, Benefit. Which I do really, really like this. But of course, back then I would have been using something from the drugstore. I know for a long, long time I used the is it Maybelline Carbon Black? It's like a black tube with a goldish lid or something. I used that for a really long time. I did really like that one as well. It was just a little messy sometimes. Actually zooming out again. Hello. All right, so last thing would be lips. We're not gonna wipe the makeup off our lips. We're gonna leave that there. And I would usually just use some type of lip gloss, like the almost clear, maybe had like a little bit of a tint to it kind. But so the only kind of like lip gloss type things I have, I found it's LA Colors lip gloss, which I think might be too pink. And I also have from Bare Minerals, this is Marvelous Moxie, this lip gloss. It actually comes like with a lipstick and you can put that over. Let's just try this one. But yeah, I would probably just any like lip gloss that I had from when I was like a kid or something. That's what we were using. It's kind of shimmery. Alright, so that is how I did my makeup in high school. I hope you guys enjoyed. My battery is about to die, oh no! So I will see you guys next time. Comment down below some of the old products that you guys would use for your makeup in high school. So I'll see you guys later. Hi, baby. Hi.